In this short video, I'm going to tell you how you can get a full year or even up to 3 years worth of Game Pass Ultimate for only $1. Sort of. So I bought an Xbox Series S because, well, yeah, I can't order or buy the PS5 anywhere and I really wanted to try out the Game Pass Ultimate. First things first, you will need a Microsoft account. Now, all good, just make sure you didn't use the offer yet on the website of Microsoft, otherwise you're already ruled out. Now the next important step, you need to add Xbox Live Gold to your account. Via the Microsoft website you can add up to 3 months, which is not a lot, but there are still stores that sell like the cards for 1 year. Those you can still add. You just need the code on the card and you add it to your account. You can add up to 3 years on your account of Xbox Live Gold. If you're really sure about it, I would really advise you to add up to 3 years. And yeah, I know you still need to pay for your Xbox Live Gold membership, so it's not $1 after all. Who would have guessed? Now that you have 12 months of your Xbox Live Gold or more, you go up to the Microsoft website and you can redeem the offer of $1 to upgrade to Game Pass Ultimate. For $1 all your months, so up to 12 months or 3 years, you can upgrade to Game Pass Ultimate and it will be worth that amount of time which you still have your Xbox Live Gold membership. This way you can save a lot of money. Instead of just buying the Game Pass Ultimate, you bought the Xbox Live, which is way cheaper, but you upgraded to the more expensive one for the same amount of time you have your Xbox Live, which is great. Now some things to note. This is temporary, so be really quick. If you already redeemed the offer, it won't work for you. Make sure your payment country is the same as your account country, otherwise you'll have issues. I had issues with that. Thank you, Microsoft, big up for you for solving those issues for me. You can download any game you want from the catalog and you can play it for as long as the membership still lasts. And the Game Pass will be renewed monthly if you forget to cancel it. Now some of my favorite games with the Game Pass Ultimate right now: NBA 2K21, Jedi Fallen Order, Fallout 4 I'm playing right now, Battlefield 5 and Destiny 2. All these games are available to download via the Game Pass, which is awesome and which is also great for example, the Xbox Series S, which doesn't have a disc drive, so you really need to download games. And with the Game Pass Ultimate you have a very wide catalog, which gets renewed, by the way, every single week or month or something like that, with new games which you can download and just play. So that's great. Now I will be doing a review on the Xbox Series S as well. If you want to check that video out, make sure you subscribe below and like this video if this taught you something. If you have any questions, feel free to put them in the comment section down below and I'll be very glad to help you. I would say enjoy your Game Pass Ultimate and enjoy your gaming, and I hope I'll see you in my next video.